It's another week and it's another new feature from ChatGPT. What else is new, right? So let's dig in. So this week, at the time of this recording, week of Jan 14th, I want to share with you, or Jan 13th, I should say. I want to share with you a new feature that ChatGPT launched late Tuesday, Jan 14th. So, and again, this is, I believe 2025 will be the evolution, the year for AI agents. And I don't mean real estate agents. These are AI tools that use reasoning to do tasks with minimal human supervision. I didn't say no human supervision, minimal. So that's the concept of AI agents. You'll also hear the word agentic AI, same concept. So everyone's starting down this path, and this is an early indicator that it is coming. Okay, so let's kind of take a look at this new feature. So currently, the feature exists for Plus, Pro, and Team subscribers of ChatGPT. They say it's coming to free subscribers, but you don't have it yet. But since I'm a paid one, I do see it here, and that is it. GPT-4o with scheduled tasks. So let's look at what that means. So if we can go here, it is a light reminder function. You could use it for Google Alerts, and I'll kind of give you some examples of how you could potentially use it. Again, this is a very basic launch. It's still in beta, but I'm hearing rumblings that they are launching a AI agent type solution here that will go and do things on your behalf. And here it's more of a search the internet, send me a reminder, etc. So let's do this, right? I can say remind on, again, this is the calendar function, which you get the concept here. Remind me on April 10th. To file, maybe not April 10th, April 8th. Okay, I'm just saying, concept-wise, remind me on April 8th to file my taxes. Okay, so I'm just going to say that. So what it's going to do, it's going to creating task. There it is, file taxes April 8th at 9 a.m. And so it's going to, you can ask it to do a lot of things. So I'm going to go now. We'll come back to this interface. We'll go now here. Under my name, and if you have access to this, you'll see here tasks. So I have a few things here. I said every Monday morning or every daily at 10 a.m. send me a motivational quote on a certain topic. Okay. The other one that I've started to set up is send me AI news in the real estate industry every day at 5 p.m. And I just did that, file taxes. So let me show you, and you can do push notification. You can have it send you an email. So here's what I basically told it. Let me go to this task really quickly. Search for latest AI news for today and provide 5 specific, only ask for 5, concise bullet points of the biggest AI news stories, including any applicable news for the real estate industry's use of AI, focus on new features, model updates, etc. Source should be from the last 24 hours. Do not discuss trends or generalities. Now, I've given it pretty specific elements, but sometimes, again, this is early, it's beta. So let me go here. I got this at 5:03. OpenAI was 3 minutes late, but here's the message, right? So I click on it and it takes me to my tasks and it shows me, let me see if it did 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it did 5. Are these the most current stories? Again, it's beta, but the concept of having it actually do things for you is starting to come out. Okay, and this is just an example. And here are the sources. Let's see what kind of sources. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In my original prompt, more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's gotten to quite a few sources. But I've actually asked it only to go in my original thing, the last 24 hours. The sources you reference should only reference 24 hours. So let's look at it if it at least did that. So I go here, Jan 16th is the source of this article. So I'm recording this on Jan 16th, so that makes sense. Jan 16th, Wired, Jan 16th, Financial Times, Jan 15th, within 24 hours, New York Post, Jan 16th. So it is starting to get there. It's early. Will Google Alerts replace this for me? I can see that in a very near future. But will I not use my calendar? Not really. But you get the idea. You can actually have it start to send you OpenAI. And if I were to actually search for this, I probably have my motivational quote this morning as well. Let's see if I have that. Task update, embrace AI for creative freedom. Look at this. I was testing it at 2:15 a couple of days ago. Think of AI as your creative partner. And if I click this, it's going to take me to the task and show me the quote. So it's starting to do stuff that you're asking it to do. These are called tasks. They're available on your mobile phone with a ChatGPT app if you have the paid. Eventually the free ones will get it. So it's an early preview into doing things for you without you having to do specific things, with human in the loop, with a human oversight. It's not going to do anything unless you actually ask it to do something, right? So you need to define the purpose, but it is starting to get there. And this is a good high quote to end my video here. Think of AI as your creative partner. By automating routine tasks, it gives you the freedom to focus on what truly matters. Building relationships, solving problems, and achieving your goals. Great day, everybody.